But you can definitely feel the change in the air as far as temperature, as far as the season changing. I'm curious, what kind of birds are we going to see with this whole season change? Stay tuned, let's find out. Hey, what's up guys? John Osumi from Motionshooter Photography coming at you again with another video. Back out here at the Ojai Preserves. It's autumn, so the season has changed. Let's see if the birds have changed too. Super cool. I was just sitting here shooting a couple birds that were in the tree together. They took off, and then two other different species came and showed up, so I just happened to be in the right place at the right time with the right lighting. Sometimes I'd rather be lucky than good. I'm just gonna sit still here for a little while. I've kind of got a spot where I've got trees over me, I've got bushes in front of me, so I'm hoping that I kind of blend in with the surroundings here, and I'm just going to be quiet for a few minutes and see what comes to me, if anything. The sun definitely dictates my shooting strategy today. It's rising from the east, and so I'm just basically looking for birds that are on the western side of me or north or south, but I don't like shooting directly into the sun just because it creates too many shadows over the birds. So I'm trying to just be more efficient with my shooting by only looking in the areas where I might get some good exposures. And unfortunately, back up the hill a little bit of ways, there was a bird that he was in my range, but the lighting just wasn't right, so I decided to move on rather than try to startle him and try to get around to the other side of him. Well, if I had to describe this day today on the bird photography, I have 3 words to describe it. Wow, wow, and wow. So to answer the question posed in the very beginning of the video, do the birds change at the Ojai Meadows Preserve from summer to autumn? That is a resounding yes. There were some birds that I saw today that I did not recognize, and I have to go home and look them up and see exactly what they are. So at this moment, you know more about this day's shooting than I do, because you're going to see the photos right here, right now. I still got to go home and edit. You get to see them right here. Thanks for watching. This is John Osumi from Motionshooter Photography.